just tripping on this definition.
So I'm actually going to voice over today's video, and since this is a style video and not necessarily a tutorial, I'm just going to pop in here and there and let you guys know some of the details on what I'm using and other important details on my hair, and then the rest is pretty self-explanatory as far as the styling goes, so just grab a snack and enjoy the video. Be sure to stay all the way to the end for my final thoughts on the hair paint wax, nighttime maintenance, and more. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, or you've been hanging around for a while now and you still aren't a part of the family, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and become a cousin. Everyone, make sure that your notifications are turned on, and also make sure that they are switched to all and not personalized, so you continue to get updates every time a new video drops. So I'm starting by first separating what's going to be the red sections from the purple sections, since I'm going for a like multicolored rainbow pony Lisa Frank type look. I've never used any kind of hair paint wax on my hair before, but I theorized that it would probably weigh my hair down really well for definition. So for my natural hair slash red twist, I wanted to make sure that I used something equal to the wax that would define my curls while also weighing them down and clumping them really nicely. So naturally, I went for a gel. I reached for the Cantu Anti-Breakage gel because I already have a video on these gels doing a wash and go on my channel, and I really like it. It has an impressive amount of hold for a Cantu product, but it still leaves my hair surprisingly soft for a gel. I'm going to do every other twist in each row with the Cantu only, and then twist the other hair out of the way with no product for now. In the front, I've already decided I wanted to do two buns, but I wanted them to have the same color mixture, so I'm going to part off my hair for the two ponytails and then section and twist each side the same way as the back. Now it's time to add purple. I got my hair paint wax from Amazon.com, and I did purchase this with my own money a long time ago and just never really felt like using it. But I will put a link in the description box for the kind that I use. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. I will link it if I can find it. I did test a bottom section by using both the gel and the hair paint wax, and it did give me great definition, but in the end, honestly, the hair paint wax was strong enough to define my curls on its own. So I decided to, rather than, you know, take my chances and use the gel and the wax and cross contaminate my products, I would just use the wax only for the rest of my twists. I let my twists dry under my hooded dryer for about 30 minutes, and then I slept with them overnight before unraveling the next afternoon. So these are my final results, and I will say initially when I first took them down, I was telling you guys on Instagram, I really didn't care for the color pattern that I got because I was like, oh, I wanted to be kind of every other twist and kind of like evenly mixed in, and it seemed like the purple was really overpowering the red. However, I'm going to talk to you guys in just a few seconds about my final results, and I ended up really liking it when I look back on this footage, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so here we are. It is about 11 o'clock at night, and I am just here to show you guys my final results. So they are super curly, extremely defined. I'm really happy with my curls, the twist out hairstyle, and I'm filming this because I asked you guys over on Instagram if you guys still wanted me to upload this video tutorial look, even though I didn't get the results that I want, and you guys said yes, so I'm just gonna talk to you guys about it. That product combination is bomb. Accidental twist out perfection. Using that gel for a twist out was a really good idea, and it paired well with the leave-in that I used, which already usually makes my hair really soft, so I'm happy with that. And surprisingly enough, the pieces that are purple, with the exception of these bottom pieces down here that I talked to you guys about in the demonstration portion, everything else is wax. So I got really good definition from the areas where I only use the wax, which I was kind of concerned about, but I didn't really want to like cross-contaminate my products, getting all that purple and stuff. I just ain't want to do it, child. So I went with just the wax, and I realized how much it was defining my hair on its own. And I really like it. It even, you know, it's not like super shiny, but it even made my hair a little shiny. So side note, this isn't meant to be a, you know, product review, but product review. I really like it, and I'm going to be using it again. Like, I like it. It's a very good way to get a very pigmented color payoff, because like I was saying over on Instagram, my hair isn't even lifted that many shades, and it still gave me a really good color payoff on top of my brown hair, and I have seen it work well on top of black hair. So I don't have anything bad to say about this wax. Now, my number one concern was using a wax on my low porosity hair, which is why I decided to go ahead and do this right before I am scheduled to deep clarify my hair, so that way I can just make sure that I get it all out. But if you guys are wanting an update as far as how I feel after I wash it out, or how do I feel, how easily it is to get out of low porosity hair, let me know down in the comment section, and I can kind of plan to give you guys an update in some shape or form. That's why I was asking you guys. That's another reason why I was asking you guys if you wanted me to still do it, because I didn't record the separation part. But truthfully, I have a lot of twist out videos already on my channel, the ones that actually do work for me, and I have videos with tons of tips and tricks that I learned work for me. If you want to know like how I unravel my twists, I will link my twist out playlist down in the description box, and it will be super helpful to you. I am just tripping on this definition. Wow. I mean, I know I also just cut my hair, obviously. If you haven't seen that video, I did just cut my hair. My hair has not been this short in a long time. So yeah, to maintain this, I am just going to, first of all, take these out. Take your ponytails out at night. Probably just going to sleep in a satin cap or an extremely long scarf that I can like make sure all my hair is tucked in. But yeah, see, like I just touched my shoulders, rubbed my shoulders in. There is a little rub off, where it's not anything bad, and especially now that my hair is short, I don't even touch my shoulders no more. I did not mean to cut off that much hair. Rubs a little bit, and it is giving a little rub off. So that's the only, you know, I don't know if other people have said that. It's just making sure that you don't really touch your hair, or that you don't have on light colored clothes and your hair touches those things, because you can get a little bit of rub off, even though it will wash out if it does rub on. If you are like trying to do this for something special, you don't want to get your clothes messed up, you may want to consider an updo. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this was your first time visiting my channel and you made it all the way to the end of this video, you need to be my cousin. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and join the family, become a cousin. Everybody who's watching this video, make sure that your notifications are turned on and turned to all and not personalized, so that you don't miss upcoming videos. OG cousins, say what's up down in the comment section, and I will see all you guys in the next upload.